Hi guys, what's up? Best channel here, and today we're going to be doing some unboxing. So yeah, here's the parcel. Where's my bloody knife? Right here. So, wait, this is wet. Okay, pull this shit out. And then, last but not least, unravel it. So, here we have a school bus. And yes, I did order this from America. So, yeah. Fleet number 5856. These are quite hard to come across, these, I think. Because this is the only one I've seen on eBay. So, yeah. Pretty neat little thing to add to my collection. Where the hell's the emergency exit is that I want to know. Still a great model though. I have got some like this, or the same shape. I'll probably just take you over to them now actually, if you come to think about it. I'll pause the video and switch the camera out. So yeah, you probably would have never seen these on my channel because I've had them for ages before I did the unboxings and the showcases. So yeah, these are like this one, as you can see by the back. But yeah, this one's a school bus version. So yeah, I'll take you back to the computer now. So yeah, here's front, the side, back, the other side, the roof and the bottom. And yes, this is to open the door. I just push it through. As you can see, it's now open. And now, hang on a minute. How the fuck do you close this? And now it is closed. And yeah, I'll show you its pullback action. So yeah, switch the camera around again. So yeah, here's the school bus. Oh, I'll just do it like that. There we go guys, so I'll just get the thumbnail. Perfect. So thank you guys for watching and peace out. Pause.